Today I just want to show you how to update your apps on Mac OS. So the first thing you want to do is go down to your App Store and give it a click. It'll populate this menu. You just want from here, click on Updates, and then from there you click on Update Your Pages. Let's see, I must accept it. To update this app, you need to accept it on the account page in the App Store. Okay, we'll do that. Let's see. Alright, account page. Okay, we'll go here. I have 5 apps to adopt. Okay, so I will, if you get that message, go ahead and click this, and this will give you all 5 of these apps. So click accept, and enter my password here. Cool. So then you can go here and click on update, and then it will update and you should be good. It might ask you to restart your computer, but other than that, you should be good. And then if you see update recently, it'll be down here. Cool. Till next time, if this helped you out, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, as it will help me grow. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.